Today, I'm gonna unbox a very special, or we can say a very artistic phone with you. It's the CAMON 19 Pro Special Edition in partnership with the Museum of Fine Arts. It's a special device pairing all the features of CAMON 19 Pro with industry-first sunlight drawing technology on its rear design. About the new tag, we will talk about it later. Look at the gift set. It's been a long time since we've been so excited about unboxing a product, so let's start it. Obviously, its packaging is inspired by the impressionist works of Mondrian. The appearance of the gift set is presented with vertical and horizontal lines delineating the rectangular blocks with three primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. Apart from the simple geometric elements, you can see the Museum of Fine Arts logo on the top left. Now let's remove the protector to see what's inside this unique packaging. Look at these different colored boxes, still reflecting the geometrical patterns of the great work of Mondrian. They look so stylized that we immediately associate it with the master artist, even though we are not exactly art lovers. And here we also want to remind you that the special edition just won the Muse Design Award. Inside the yellow box, there's a 33-watt charging block and cable, while on the surface of the red one, we can see a conspicuous word, Sonic 1. So what does this Sonic 1 mean? Well, open it and we found that there's a TWS wireless earbuds coming with the Mondrian stylish design. Although it's just a gift accessory attached in the phone set, I'm pretty surprised that it still has a decent design on the appearance. The charging case's design is divided into two parts with elegant curves. The upper cover is made of a transparent plastic material with matte finish, and we can faintly see the shape of the earbuds inside. The white bottom half also comes with a matte finish, which makes the whole case feel great in hands. It's indeed designed for the artistic edition too, as we can see the typical detail of rectangular forms of the color block on both the box and the earbuds. For now, I don't know its sound quality, but these color squares really make this headset unique. Okay, put the earbuds aside and let's move on. There's one last little blue box that says gift. It looks as mysterious as its color. Well, the gift looks like a large handkerchief or square tower presented as a Mondrian's work. Is it used to polish the phone? I don't exactly know, but what is certain is that it can be a special piece of a decoration. And at the bottom, there are three delicate badges. Maybe you could put them on in your chest when you visit an art museum next time. This MFA edition phone really surprised me a lot. It was definitely well prepared by Tecno. The transparent case is still included, and then there's a manual for Sonic 1, a SIM card pin, warranty card, and a brief description of the gift set. Okay, this is a Tecno CAMON 19 Pro cooperated with the MFA, still with the strong stylish geometric elements. Straight horizontal and vertical lines divide the back of the phone into blocks like those great Mondrian paintings. And we can see that the camera module has also been redesigned to look like a compass and binoculars. The sunlight drawing technology, which is also known as a polychromatic photoisomer technology, although it's not the first time we have seen this tech used on a phone to have a color change in the sun, but this phone really makes a stunning combination of the tech and abstract art. Its back cover is enabled to follow geometrical patterns of multiple color change in the sun, where you can feel the true sentiment of the abstract art. About its software, the wallpaper and icons are also in artistic style. There are some other beautiful artistic wallpapers available here. The CAMON 19 Pro is powered by Helio G96 octa-core processor, running iOS based on Android 12 with 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM, which is enough for you to store all kinds of content you like. And it also has a 5000 mAh large battery to support all-day use. This 1080p 120Hz screen has good brightness and viewing angles, and the bezels above and to the left and right are unexpectedly narrow, giving a very wide field of view when holding in a portrait orientation. The volume buttons and power button are placed on the right side of the phone, and then on the other side you can see that there's a SIM card slot. It's not only available for two SIM cards, but also allows you to load a micro SD card to expand your storage. And there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a feature we all like, but is on the verge of disappearing. The phone has a 46MP OIS-enabled main camera, a 50MP portrait lens, and a depth lens to assist in shooting pictures. Let's try portrait first. In fact, the light in this room is not good at all, but we still got a good photo. As you can see, the outline of the toy is very clear and there's no obvious noise around, so I think it could be good for portrait shooting. The phone also supports stereo speakers. Let's check out what it sounds like. So that's all we want to share with you about the Tecno CAMON 19 Pro MFA edition, a beautiful and special gift set. In fact, I kind of enjoyed the unboxing. We can see that not only the phone itself has been redesigned, but the whole packaging from inside to outside has a lot of Mandarin elements. The phone itself is also well performed, so I think it could be a really good one for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channels, Gizmo China and TechGoing. I'm Will from Gizmo China and TechGoing. See you next time.